Hey, what's going on? It's David Deacle, and I wanted to show you a really quick demo of WP Swift Start and essentially how it can save you hours and hours of work, especially when setting up a brand new site. So here we are on a brand new WordPress blog, and as you can see, it comes with the default posts that WordPress comes with and the default settings that WordPress comes with the default comments and everything else. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you how quickly you can actually set up everything that you need to set up on this site and customize it fully with just a few clicks of a mouse. So here we go with WP Swift Start. Once you activate it, you just go to WP Swift Start, and it's going to give you a whole bunch of options in here that you can, with one click, you can enable or disable. So we're just going to select all of these, and this is essentially going to be removing all the default posts and pages, changing the permalinks to an SEO friendly type of a structure, removing the comments and disabling comments for new comments and moderation comments. So the next thing it's going to ask you to add some recommended pages. So you could add some empty posts if you want. You could add multiple categories all at once like this. So example, dogs, cats, etc., etc., as many of them as you want. You can add some test pages if you wanted to test some stuff. You can add some empty pages with page titles, not just posts. You can add an About Us page. You can add a Contact Us page, generic privacy policy, terms of use. So let's say we use Acme, located in New York, as an example. You can add a generic affiliate disclosure page and an earnings disclaimer. And also it can create a footer menu for you with these pages already on it, so you don't have to tinker around with any of the menu stuff. So we're just going to add all of them to the menu. And also it gives you the ability to install some recommended plugins. And if you just click here, click on show all useful plugins, it gives you a whole bunch of different plugins that you can use, that you can have installed immediately on your WordPress blog. So we're just going to disable most of them for now. I'm just going to leave a few of them active. We'll use the post hit counter. We'll leave pretty link, and we'll disable these ones for now because it's going to take a little longer to install those, maybe an extra 10 seconds or so, and to set them up. But we're just going to leave it like this for now. So once you have all of these selected, whichever one you want to have here, you just click submit and go. And WP Swift Start will start working in the background, and within about 10 to 20 seconds or so, it will get everything done on its own. And basically you don't have to touch anything, you don't have to do anything. It will just do everything completely on its own, and it will give you a message at the end of it that everything has been done successfully. Now what we want to do is basically just go and check to make sure everything is okay. Now this site might take a minute to ask you to set some stuff up like WooCommerce, etc., but we're just going to click on no right now. You can skip the setup and do that stuff later. Let's just go to posts. As you can see, the default post has been deleted. If we go to pages, you're going to see the same thing. All of the pages that it was supposed to create were created in here. You have a privacy policy now that you can already start using, which Google kind of requires, and you need that if you're going to be doing anything with this site for SEO and advertising and everything else. So earnings disclaimer, same thing, gives you that built in with your URL, and you can feel free to change those later. These are just simple pages with some data on them. And beyond that, it also gives you a menu that you can use on the footer of every one of your pages. That is, let me just show you here, Swift Start website footer menu with all of the different pages already on it, ready to go. So all you need to do now is basically just select this menu on any page you want, and it will display it at the very bottom, which is kind of what Google wants for SEO purposes and advertising purposes. Okay, so thanks for watching. There are a few more personalization options for WP Swift Start. As an example, it could pass all of these parameters that you see, like client's name, client's email, phone number, etc., date, things like that, over to the page by just using these shortcodes. But I'll make another video separate on that in the members area so you can see exactly how that works. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.